Welcome to Whitby Public Library's From Book to Table Kids Edition. Today we're going to be making popsicles. I have some simple recipes that are perfect to beat the summer heat. To make these popsicles, all you will need is a blender and some popsicle molds. If you do not have popsicle mold, you can always make some yourself using juice boxes or paper cups. The recipes have been taken from Sarah Bond's For the Love of Popsicles. Although this is not specifically a cookbook geared towards kids, I found the recipes very straightforward and easy to follow and make. There are so many popsicles in this cookbook that narrowing it down to just one choice was impossible. So after a lot of tough decision making, I decided to stick to the classics. So today, I will be showing you how to make Sarah's Fudgesicle, Orange Creamsicle, and classic fruit juice popsicles. For our classic juice popsicles, you will need fruit juice of your choice. I used a fruit punch, and some fresh fruit. I used strawberries and a pear because I thought they would complement the flavor of my juice. I will admit to altering the recipe and blending my fruit and my juice together rather than following the instructions and cutting the fruit into chunks and placing them into the molds and pouring the juice over the fruit chunks. This was a personal preference. I don't like chunks in my popsicles, but if you do, enjoy your chunky fruit popsicle. For our Fudgesicles, you will need the following ingredients. 1 14-ounce can of coconut milk, unsweetened cocoa powder, maple syrup or honey to taste, and vanilla extract. Mix together all of your ingredients. Don't forget to taste it to make sure that it's at the level of sweetness you want. I added some extra maple syrup to make it sweeter. Once it's all mixed together, pour it into your popsicle molds. Always leave a little space at the top when you are filling your popsicle molds. As you know, as liquids freeze, they expand, so by leaving a little space at the top, you give them room to grow. For the orange creamsicles, you will need orange juice, a banana, plain Greek yogurt, honey, and vanilla extract. Then, you just mix it together until it's smooth and add it to your popsicle molds. And because I was curious and I love chocolate orange, I decided to try mixing the Orangesicle and Fudgesicles together to see what would happen. Take your popsicle out of the molds by running them under some warm water for a few seconds to loosen them before removing. And there you have it, 3 utterly delicious and simple popsicle recipes for you to make and eat this summer. If you like to cook or are thinking about learning to cook, I would check out our collection of cookbooks at the Whitby Public Library. There are so many different types of cookbooks, I'm sure you will find one that will interest you. Thanks for watching! I hope this inspires you to try to make your own delicious summer treats at home. Follow us on social media or visit us at whitbylibrary.ca to discover more of our online programs and digital collections, or to share something that you have made from WPL material.